Hello guys, today I'm going to show you one of the castle of birds which is known as باغ پرندگان.
پرنده خیلی خوشحال شد چون هم شکل دیدی.
این نوع پرنده داره و یک نوع چرنده.
این چرنده کی است؟ Parrot, capture it. But you know his bite is so dangerous. You're afraid.
وقتی حمزه میره آرایشگاه سرش و موهاشو خراب میزنه دقیقا شبیه اون پرنده میشه.
بیا بغل مرغ، بیا اینجا.
این چون یک جانوری است در منزل بردیمش بین هم نوعان خودش. البته جلوی در ما رو گرفتن گفتن این حیوان.
Hello guys, hope you all will be fine. So today I'm going to show you one of the castle of birds which is known as باغ پرندگان and located in the south of Tehran, and this place is located at the top of the hills and is one of the famous and popular place for tourism. Here you will find 70 to 80 varieties of birds. Here you will find all kind of birds almost. Here you will find a lot of different kind of varieties of bird as you can see here. Different kind of pools are made for the ducks with different varieties of birds, and they enjoy their life here. These give a very astonishing and attractive view. Actually, the باغ پرندگان has two phases. In one phase, the birds are free and they can fly anywhere inside the limited area and they're free to go anywhere. But on the other side, the birds are kept inside the cage because there are some birds they are harmful to humans, so they're kept inside the cage, and you are only able to see them inside the specific area in specific cages. You can see the net above. This is made for the birds so they can fly inside this limited area. This place is one of the famous and popular place for tourism, and you can visit here at any season, but in winter it's get much colder because of the snow as it is located at the top of the hill. This place you will find one of the lake view which give a very astonishing view, and different kind of restaurants with different kind of fast foods.
این نوع پرنده داره و یک نوع چرنده.
این چرنده کی است؟
چرنده همه چیز خاره، گیاه، علف، سنگ، نمیدونم فلفل. این همه چیز خاره اینجا.
این چرنده فقط فلفل میخوره.
Look how he's running behind the birds. I think he is teasing the birds, and birds became afraid from him. People came here for watching the birds, and the birds are afraid that there is a naughty person who are teasing the birds.
بیا بغل مرغ، بیا.
Now he is afraiding. Why are you afraiding? No, catch it. He is sitting.
Look, from when he entered this place, he disturbed the peace of all birds. And look here how he running behind them. And all the birds are afraid, and look now they are shouting.
چند لفظ بگو برای حمزه. این پرنده ها خیلی خوشحال شد. حاجی این پرنده ها خیلی خوشحال شد چون هم شکل دیدی.
این چون یک جانوری است در منزل بردیمش بین هم نوعان خودش. البته جلوی در ما رو گرفتن گفتن این حیوان وحشیه، اینا اهلیه.
این قهرمان است، برادرمان است.
این باغ چجوری است؟ خوب است یا نه؟
خیلی عالی. very good.
بگو که چند تا اینجا پرنده داری؟ چند تا اقسام داری؟
من نمیدونم، سوال تخصصی از من نپرس.
تو مدیر اینجا نیست؟
نه من
من فکر کردم تو مدیر اینجا است. آها خوب.
Now I'm going to show you the second phase of باغ پرندگان where birds are kept inside the cages because there are some birds and different kind of animals which are harmful to human beings, as this is بغل مرغ, as you can see here in Persian you call it بغل مرغ, and here are some different kind of parrots and different varieties of parrots which can attack human beings anytime. As you can see this is very aggressive, and so they're kept inside different kind of cages to protect them, and they can live inside a specific temperature. How are you fine?
Alhamdulillah.
So you enjoyed today. What was the most enjoyable moment for you?
Yes, here we saw really nice birds, and after that we imagined that how it's good creation of Almighty Allah. He creates such a beautiful kind of animals and birds. But the interesting thing was that you running behind the birds and catching them, and they all afraid from you, and you also afraid from them. When you get near to the parrot, you can't able to grab him because you think he will bite me severely. So it was such a good experience here.